I'm gonna turn this into this. Stay tuned. This house was built in the late 90s. As you can see, it has that late 90s feel. Some love it, some hate it. Some don't care about it, and they get suckered into changing it all. All right, so I already removed this right here. And this part right here just comes off like that. All right, now this is a risky proposition. The 2-year-old's sleeping, he's sick. I'm home from work watching him. Let's time how long it takes to wake him up. Here he is sleeping. All right, here's a closer shot. Boy's awake.
I'm coming, bro.
As you can see, it's just all plywood on top of one another, framed in with molding. Yeah, Crow. Crow, can you help me work?
Okay, Daddy.
There you go. You're doing good, Crow. Easy. There you go. Good job. Good job. Out of the window, sir. All right, now I have a gap to fill right here. I'm either going to make it flush. I'm thinking I'm gonna go with the inlay. I like the way it looks better, and it's a lot easier. bird. Hey, sorry. I know. I'll put it back. Hey, I promise.
Ruined your video.
Have you seen that tape laying around?
So please do that.
And it is completed. Very happy with the way it turned out. It's got a nice little country feel to it. It's time for a change. Left some patches of raw wood. You'll see where I sanded it in the video. Just to give it that country feel. Threw a 2x6 on top. This fireplace here, cleaning that made a huge difference. This thing looks brand new. Simply just cleaning the glass, which was way more easy than I expected, and painting the golden areas makes it look like a brand new fireplace. What do you think, Linus? Was it worth it? Couldn't figure out a way to clean those. Anyone have any idea how to clean that stuff? I tried Goo Gah and all sorts of stuff.
Get up there, Dad. Time to fly on Santa. Ready. Daddy. Let's see Santa. Gotta get down. Gotta go. Gotta go, Dad. Okay? Hurry. Tricked you. Yeah.
See anything over there, Colt?
You know where the best place to look?
Where?
Right down that hill.
Running in some reconnaissance missions there.
You gotta come with me. Look.
Oh, your hands get cold. That's why you came back, huh?